students. So from this session we are continuing with our grammar portion. And to start with, I am going to start with the articles. You must have read about in your previous classes also, and somehow you are aware about these articles also. But yes, today we'll do these articles in detail. First of all, I will tell you what are there in this article, how are they divided, and in which kinds of sentences we can use which articles. So let's start with this. So students, you know that articles are these a, an and the, and these are further divided. How? They have their own categories. Articles are further divided in mainly two kinds. First one is indefinite articles, and your second kind of article is definite article. Out of these three, indefinite articles are a and an, and definite article is the. Now, how can we know that which article will have to use at which place? That I will tell you through examples. Students, first of all, we'll continue with indefinite articles. You know that indefinite articles are a and an. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound, and we use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. So first of all, I am taking the article a. For example, a thirsty crow, a good friend, a desk. Now see here, as I told you that we use a before the words that begin with a consonant sound. So these are, you know, these are not vowel, but these are consonants. T, G, D, consonants. But somehow there are some exceptions also. Like university. What should I use here? A or an? Similarly, European. These are vowels, you know, U and E. But here, instead of using an, I will use a only. And why so? Because these words are starting with a consonant sound. A university, a European. That is clear that we use a before words that begin with E or U because they have an initial Y sound. That is clear. Now we are moving towards an. This is also an indefinite article. So let's start with these examples. So talking about an, you know that we use an, the words begin with the vowel sounds. For example, an apple, an ink pot, an umbrella. But like a only, there are some exceptions with this indefinite article too. Here, M-A, honest. You must have seen these words many a time. But here, you will have to choose whether you will put here a or an. You know that am is not a vowel, but it's a consonant. Similarly, H is also a consonant, not vowel. But as I told you that we use articles according to the sounds, so that you know that here am, this is sounding like a vowel. Honest, the H is silent here and we are stressing with O, vowel sound. So here also an honest person. He is an MA. He is an MLA. So with such kinds of vowel sounding words, we use the indefinite article N. So students, now we will move towards definite article the. Why the is called definite articles? Because it points to a particular person or a specific thing. How? You must have listened the story of the thirsty crow many a times. So if you will see, we many a times use the when we are continuing with the crow story. Why? Because we are talking about not any of the crow, but yes, about the particular crow. In stories, mostly we use definite articles. I am giving you the example of the same story here. The clever crow found a pot in the garden, or whatever was there in the story. We are using here the definite article. We are talking about a definite crow. That's why. Similarly, lion story you have listened. So that all in that story also you have used the definite article many a times. So I want to tell you about this definite article with another example also. Suppose we have here an apple. Here I am using indefinite article. Why? Because about the word we are somehow indefinite. That word is not definitely telling which apple you want. Similarly, if you go with the second sentence, here I will tell I want the apple kept on the shelf. So we are using here the definite article the. By using this article, we are making a particular apple definite. I want that apple only which is kept on the shelf. The. I want an apple. Anyone. Any of the apple you can give me. So here we are using indefinite article. And here we are using definite article when we are pointing towards a definite thing or towards a definite person. Apart from that, we use the before the things which are only one in number, like the moon, the sun, the earth, the Nile river, the Mount Everest, the Taj Mahal and many more. So these articles we can easily find out which things are definite and which are indefinite by using these different articles. Students, to start with, I have taken a very short topic, that is article, and now I think you are very much aware about where to use this definite and indefinite article. I am just repeating once that why A and N are indefinite articles, because they do not point actually to a particular person or thing. And the is a definite article because it points towards a particular person, and as I told you that the things which are only one in number. I had given you example also like the moon, the sun, the earth, the Great Wall of China and all. So apart from that, I have just told you that where are you can treat A and N as exceptions, wherever the sounds are different. Somewhere I told you that some words which starts with consonants but having a vowel sound. So with that sound, by going by that sound, we will use the indefinite article an. Exactly opposite of it is somehow anything starting with a consonant, but having vowel sound we will use an. And wherever a vowel word is starting with a vowel, any of the word, but it's giving an sound, a sound of a consonant, so we will use there a only, not an. So it's all about your topic articles. I will give you some exercise related to this, and you will first of all try to solve it yourself, and then you will go with the solutions or the given examples. So I'm just signing off here. Thank you.